On August 12th, the sky gives us a deeply tender, healing shift in energy as Ceres steps out of Gemini and enters the nurturing, protective waters of Cancer. Now, if you aren't familiar with Ceres and astrology, let me introduce you to one of the most powerful archetypes in your chart. Ceres is the largest asteroid in our solar system, named after the Roman goddess of agriculture, harvest, motherly love, and physical and emotional sustenance. It's actually where we get the word cereal from. In astrology, Ceres represents how we give and receive care, how we feed our spirit, how we navigate grief and loss, and what we need to feel truly safe, nourished, and sustained. And Cancer? Cancer is the natural ruler of the home, the womb, the stomach, ancestral roots, and emotional sanctuary. When Ceres enters Cancer, the universe puts a warm, home-cooked meal right in front of your soul and asks one simple, radical question. Who is feeding you while you're busy feeding everyone else? This transit brings a powerful return to somatic healing, ancestral foods, gentle self-care, and sacred emotional boundaries. It reminds us that productivity without nourishment leads straight to burnout. You cannot harvest a healthy life if you keep neglecting the soil of your own heart. Let's go sign by sign to see where Ceres and Cancer is calling you to feed your soul. Listen for your sun, your moon, your rising, and your Venus. Starting with Aries. Ceres is landing right in the heart of your chart in the 4th house. It's time to make your home a true sanctuary for your nervous system. Nourish yourself with comforting home meals, ancestral practices, and deep rest. Let your house be a place where you don't have to fight. Focus on creating domestic comfort, healing family roots, and physical home-cooked nourishment. Taurus, how are you speaking to yourself when no one is listening? Ceres in your 3rd house is calling for gentle, compassionate self-talk. Nourish your mind with uplifting books, soothing conversations, and quiet walks in your local neighborhood. Focus on healing internal dialogue, gentle communication, and local community care. Gemini, Ceres in your 2nd house is reminding you that your body and your bank account both need proper feeding. Stop living on nervous energy and fast-paced schedules. Feed your body nutrient-dense foods and treat your financial resources with protective, loving care. Focus on grounding bodily nutrition, financial stability, and affirming inherent worth. Cancer, Ceres is entering your sign and lighting up your 1st house of self. You are naturally everyone else's caretaker, but this transit demands that you put your own oxygen mask on first. Allow yourself to receive love, indulge in gentle self-care, and fill your own cup to overflowing. Focus on deep personal pampering, honoring emotional instincts, and physical rejuvenation. Leo, Ceres in your 12th house is calling you into the quiet room. Your soul needs spiritual nourishment that the noisy outer world cannot provide. Retreat into meditation, prayer, dream journaling, and deep sleep. Let the Divine Mother heal your spirit behind closed doors. Focus on subconscious healing, spiritual retreat, and clearing emotional exhaustion. Virgo, who is holding space for you when you're busy fixing everyone else's problems? Ceres in your 11th house brings loving, supportive energy through your chosen family and community networks. Let your tribe feed your spirit and pour back into you. Focus on receiving group support, nurturing collective dreams, and chosen family bonds. Libra, Ceres in your 10th house is transforming how you lead in your career and public life. You're being called to lead with empathy, warmth, and maternal wisdom rather than cold competition. People will be drawn to your caring, protective professional presence. Focus on empathetic leadership, nurturing career goals, and creating a supportive workspace. Scorpio, your mind and spirit are hungry for deeper wisdom. Ceres in your 9th house nourishes you through inspiring books, spiritual philosophy, and soul-expanding travel. Feed your mind with truths that expand your horizon and soothe your worldview. Focus on philosophical nourishment, spiritual study, and soul-nourishing journeys. Sag, Ceres in your 8th house is bringing gentle, healing light into your deepest emotional spaces. True power isn't about being untouchable. It's about allowing trusted loved ones into your inner room. Allow yourself to be held and supported in moments of transformation. Focus on emotional vulnerability, intimacy, and healing joint financial and energetic bonds. Capricorn, Ceres in your 7th house is bringing a soft, caring touch to your one-on-one relationships. If your partnerships have felt dry, one dimension, or all business lately, this transit infuses them with warmth, mutual support, and emotional safety. Focus on nurturing romantic and business partners, building emotional safety and equal care. Aquarius, your body is your temple, not just a vehicle for your brain. Ceres in your 6th house is asking you to revolutionize your daily wellness routines. Nourish your body with real whole foods, set gentle workplace boundaries, and honor your physical limitations. Focus on meal prep, soothing health routines, and creating a peaceful daily workflow. And lastly, Pisces. Ceres in a fellow water sign is igniting your 5th house of creativity, romance, and inner child joy. Feed your creative spirit without judging the final product. Play, paint, cook, love, and let your inner child feel completely safe and celebrated. Focus on inner child healing, creative play, and romantic tenderness. Remember, people, self-care isn't a luxury or an afterthought. It is the foundation of your sovereignty. Stop trying to run an empire on an empty stomach and an exhausted heart. Feed your spirit first. Drop a comment below and let me know. How are you intentionally nourishing yourself under this transit? Share this episode with someone who needs permission to rest and refuel. Hit that like, follow, and subscribe button and keep walking in your light. Until next time, stay grounded, eat well, and protect your peace. I love you all.